Welcome. Now example 12. Visualize the representation of 3.58 bar on the number line through successive magnification up to 4 decimals. Successive magnification is nothing but continuously by observing through the magnification purpose. Observing in the zoom method. 3.58 bar can be written as 3.5, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 and so on. This is non-terminating but repeating. Non-terminating and repeating. Period is 8. Periodicity is 1 decimal. Periodicity is 1. 1 decimal only repeating. So periodicity is 1. Period is which part is repeating, that one is called period. 8. Now 3.5. First of all 3. Up to 4 decimals. After this point 1, 2, 3, 4 decimals we have to represent on the number line. To represent that, first number, integral part 3. 3 is on the number line is here. 3.5 means more than 3. So it lies between 3 and 4. Okay, it lies between 3 and 4. Now we have to zoom this one and magnifying by using magnifying glass. This is for example that in this points will be there that we have to observe through the magnification. This is a step 1. In this numbers, again number line, if we observe this part in the zoom method, we have to assume that. That's in the zoom method, we observe that from 3 onwards, 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, this is a 4 and so on. That is different. See here 3.1 means 3 to 4 in between 3.1 means that this is a 3.0. It starts from 0. 3.0, 3.1, 3.2 up to so on 3.9, 4.0 we will get. Okay, now 3 over. Next 3.5 where we are having here 3.5. Again after that 3.5, 3.58 is there. So 3.58 lies between in this part. Okay, this is a, for example, we have to using the magnifying glass. This 3 here and this 4 is this one. Okay, now 3.5 we will get that here. See this starts from 3.5 ends with 3.6. here we have to consider 3.5. 3.5 is taken as 3.50. 3.51. Now 3.50 means 350. Like that we can take 3.51, 3.52, 3.53, 3.54, 3.55, 3.56, 3.57, 3.58, 3.59, 3.60. 3.60 is nothing but 3.6. So 3.6 is nothing but 3.60. 3.5 is nothing but 3.50. Again, now in this again we are observing that the points in the zoom method by using magnifying glass, observing that 3.5 to 3.6. In this again some decimals we are finding out. Clean observation in this. Now 3.5. Now we have to need that after 3.5, 3.8 is required. First 3, next 3.5, now 3.58. This is here. After 3.58, some more is there, more than that 3.58. So 3.58 more means here we will get, in these parts we will get. This is another magnifying, again verifying. Okay, now this is taken on the number line. 3.58 starts from 3.58. After that decimals we can take 1 0. This is considered as 580. So 3.581, 3.582, 3.583, 3.584, 3.585, 3.586, 3.587, 3.588, 3.589, 3.590. 589, 590 we can take like that. 3.589, 3.590. Now this is here. Magnifying glass, we are observing that the number line is here and 3.59 is here. Okay. Now 3.58, third decimal is 3.588. See here, 3.588 is here, 3.588. To get that next fourth decimal, 3.588 more than that, after that increasing the number, 3.588 in between these, in this we will get is a one more observation. Okay. Now by observing that, now starts from 3.588. 3.588 is taken as one more zero. So 3.5, 3.50, 3.58, 3.580, 3.588, 3.580. This is 3.5881, 3.5882, 3.5883, 3.5884, 3.5885, 3.586, 886, 3.5887, 3.5888, 3.5889, 3.5890. Now this is here. Now we need up to 4 decimals. 3.588 is this is the answer. Okay. Now we have found that 3.588. Okay. This is the final answer. Understood? Now once again, 3.58 bar can be written as 3.5888. 4 decimals are more than that. We can write up to 4 decimals is asked to represent on the number lines. This is the number line 3 to 4. 3 to 4 is observing again 3 to 4. This part is by observing by using the magnification glass 3 to 4. In between 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and so on is there. First decimal is 3.5 and more than 3.5 this given number is. So 3.5 to 3.6 we have to observe again with the help of magnifying glass and expand it like this. 3.5 is nothing but 3.50 we can take. 3.5 can be written as 3.50. 3.6 can be written as 3.60. Again with the help of magnifying glass we clean observation, sharp observation. In this again 10 like that centimeters, meters, centimeters, millimeters, like that observation we will get 3.58. Second decimal we are getting. So after this we are getting 3.588 lies between these two numbers. Again observing like this. Again 3.580. 3.58 is taken as 3.580, 3.590. Again in this 5888, 589 between again like this. This is the final answer. Okay, this is represented on the number line with the help of this successive magnification method. Okay. Thank you.